Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to recover data from a formatted SD card using an incredible software, 4D Dig Data Recovery. Let's get started. It's frustrating when you formatted your SD card but found didn't save wanted files. Don't panic. Here we are to help you recover your data quickly and easily. Format a SD card means everything in the SD card will be erased. Usually, we format a SD card to clean it quickly. Step 1. Download 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery. Click the link in the description below, and here's the incredible software 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery. It's a professional recovery software that would help us today. Download the software and install 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery. Step 2. Scan lost files with 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery. Launch 4D Dig Windows Data Recovery and select the SD card. It will swiftly and automatically detect and identify the contents of your SD card. Wait until the recovery is finished. Once it's done, we can preview recoverable files. Select desired files, and you can save them to your computer. Now we have everything we need now, and hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.